We're here at the beautiful Ashby Castle and Gardens. It's our first visit. Can't wait to take you along for all of the fun with us today. It's apparently one of the best dog walks that you can do. I think it's like number 15th of the best dog walk. So this one's very excited as well. She's been running around all over the place. So let's get to it. One very excited pup. She can't wait. She wants to explore all the things all at once. So far, we've literally done about 20 steps and it's living up to its name because she's super happy. Look at her go. She loves castles. £18.65. Even the gates are fancy, they've got lots of detail. Got all like faces. Got some cherubs up there. So as well as the castle and grounds, there's also a church and a graveyard. Ooh. It's like a lamppost out of Narnia that Mr. Thomas meets you at. Gonna work our way down to this section here. What we did when we came in is we turned left and went to St Mary's Magdalene's Church, but we're gonna head back down now through the middle of the gardens and check out the greenhouses, and then we're gonna end up at the menagerie where the animals are. Wow, this looks gorgeous. Just this bit alone looks massive. So we've worked our way back to where the entrance is now, and we're going to check out all of this middle section, which is the Italian gardens, and then work our way to the orangery. So this is saying to the left there's a large weeping beech, which is probably the largest of its kind in the UK. Wow. And then to the right there's a large copper beech, which dates back about 120 years. If trees could talk, eh? What you found, pup? Look at this fancy tree trunk, look. It's got squirrels and owls. It's like a little seat. Wow, that must have took some work. There's another animal down here, it looks like a meerkat. Little mushroom. Hair. The more you look, the more you find. Little fox. Just coming up to what looks like the orangery.
Is that a word, orangery?
Yeah. That's what they call them. They don't call them like greenhouses, they used to call them orangeries, didn't they? Deep water. The orangery dates back to 1870 when the garden architect was employed by the 3rd Marquess of Northampton. It's finished in 1872. Oh wow, there's fish in there. It's like a car.
It's huge. It's like a shark.
down at the bottom there is the triumphal arch, and then you've got this really long walkway that leads back to this orangery. All of the stonework is like carved. If you look right at the top there, all along there's like people and plants. Even all of these big plant pots are carved. Oh, dogs can run free beyond this point. You've got some freedom, Demi. No lead. Go wild. Come on then. Woohoo! Freedom. Just noticed, like, some of the trees have like little fairy dolls on. How cute is that? Crystal.
Stop going through.
Make way. Oh. Oh, it says no dogs. Oh, this is the culprit of all the noise, is it? Noisy. You letting everyone know you're here? No one's come to see you. He's saying hello to me. Oh, he's not shouting now, is he? Oh, he's saying hello to the little cockerel. Oh, was he doing all the shouting? Oh dear. Oh, he's running away. Oh, look at these little fluffers. Oh, they're funky chickens. They're so funny. Oh my gosh, a goat. Oh, little pony. Hi. That was like me this morning in a hotel bed. Hello. Hello. Hi. Oh, what's in here? These guys have got a whole village set up. Got a church. They've got a hotel. Oh, the little rabbits, I think. Little guinea pigs. Just chilling out. hiding under the box. These pigs are having a lazy day. Look at them just chilling out. There's loads of different types of birds in here. Unfortunately, I can't show you properly because of the fencing. It's just going out of focus. Look at these little cuties. Oh. There's loads more at the back there, just chilling out. Enjoying your lunch? There was a spiral staircase. I wonder if we can... Oh no, we're not allowed to go up there. That would have been cool. Oh, it's like peppers and stuff. It's 10,000 acres of land here, and you can see 25,000 acres, and that's made up of 25 different types of gardens, like Italian style gardens and so on. It's got a unique orangery, it's got a play area, it's got a tea room, which is always great. It's one of the things we always look for. It's got a menagerie, lots of animals in there, very, very dog friendly. Demi is loving it.
Hello, let me just find.
So the gardens we've been round, you can actually buy the vegetables. You just leave a little donation in the box. Buy some runner beans, some cucumbers, some potatoes. Here she is. Come on then. Can't really film too much because the children playing in there, because it's a big playground. And then there's a big cafe slash tea room here as well. Lots of seating outside as well, so on a nice day you can sit outside. She's done herself a big thirst, bless her, running around all the gardens. She's absolutely loved it today. The Mickey Mouse bowl we've brought ourselves, and then we just asked them to fill it up with water for us. What delights did you choose?
We've got a banoffee muffin and a chocolate orange cake. And it was £6.
£6? Oh, that looks delicious. Right, tucky in then. What's the verdict to the muffin? Thumbs up. So, the cake is very, very chocolatey and also very orangey. It's very much like a Jaffa cake, so if you like Jaffa cakes, it's definitely for you. And then this one, very, very banana-y. Tastes a little bit like, it's got a distinct flavour, but I can't quite place it.
I think it's got some cinnamon in there.
Tastes a little bit like a Mr. Kipling's Fancy, but banana flavour. Very good.
Nothing to see here. And there's a hand coming up. Oh, you're going to try a bit of both.
Not to put together.
Yeah, that'd be daring.
Chocolate banana.
Yeah, banana chocolate.
Just give it a while, see if you can make a little bit of a taste sensation. Maybe we might create something here. That's too overpowering, you can't really taste that.
Is that? That was delicious. Considering we only had breakfast about 2 hours ago and we're eating cake already.
We don't talk about that. Delicious. Have a magical day or evening whenever you're watching, and I'll see you for the next adventure.